Why Many People Buy Robert Kiyosaki Book. Robert Kiyosaki is a well-known author and speaker in the field of personal finance and investment. His most famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has been highly successful and has sold millions of copies worldwide. There are several reasons why many people buy his books and find value in his teachings. Inspirational and motivational, Kiyosaki's books often provide readers with a different perspective on wealth and financial independence. He shares personal stories and anecdotes that can be inspiring and encourage readers to take control of their financial lives. Mindset and attitude, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of developing a wealthy mindset and adopting the right attitude towards money. His books focus on changing one's financial mindset, which can be a valuable lesson for those looking to improve their financial situation. Basic financial education. Many people lack basic financial education, and Kiyosaki's books aim to fill that gap. He explains concepts such as assets, liabilities, cash flow, and investments in a simple and accessible manner, making it easier for readers to grasp and apply them in their lives. Real estate and investment strategies. Kiyosaki often promotes real estate and investment strategies as a means to achieve financial success. He shares his experiences and insights into these areas, offering practical advice to readers interested in pursuing such avenues. While many people find his teachings valuable, some critics argue that his advice is oversimplified or lacks practicality. It's essential to approach any financial advice with a critical mindset and consider multiple perspectives before making decisions. Subscribe this to make me feel rich like Robert Kiyosaki.